Hello guys, I have met Mr. Stewart from Google. He actually gonna give you some a little bit more about Google Firebase, actually how it can help game developers to make the better game for maybe Android and iOS devices.
Sure. So Firebase provides a free unlimited analytics solution. We also have a real-time database, storage API, authentication so that you can associate data with users, a testing framework called Remote Config that enables you to run experiments after you've deployed your game, and push notifications as well. And you can also do link sharing, so you can do deep links into apps. So for example, if you want to share content with other users or just grow your user base, you can use app invites and deep links to do that. All of the analytics data is exportable to Google Cloud via BigQuery, and so you can also take that data and bring it into Mixpanel and things like that as well. So a lot of great stuff in there. Really, really cool.
How do someone get started? Some game developers.
So we actually have, if you have a look over here, this is our game. We built a sample game. It's run in Unity. We also have a game that we built that runs in C++ in our own custom engine. In both cases, we have a Unity and a C++ SDK that you can use to get started. All you need to do is go to firebase.google.com/games, and we've got a setup guide that will help you get started there.
Okay, so how much it cost?
For most of the products in Firebase, with the exception of storage and real-time database, it's entirely free. Like I said, we have free unlimited analytics that's now real-time. We added Stream View this week. And if you want to, if you start to pay, if you want to start using more of the real-time database in terms of storage and download bandwidth, if you want to use our blob storage infrastructure, you start to pay based upon the number of gigabytes stored. And if you want to pull data out of our analytics solution using BigQuery, that's where you start to pay. Our pricing, I can bring this. I think we've got it on here. Do we have it on here? Let me go to firebase.google.com/pricing. We have basically a free tier that gives you a whole load of great functionality for free. This is our Spark tier. We have Flame for $25 a month, which you can store a bit more in the real-time database and download a bit more. We offer actually up to I think it's 10,000 connections to the real-time database in that tier. And then we have our Blaze plan, which is pay as you go. So based upon the amount of usage that you have, you pay a different amount. So, for example, for our real-time database, it's $5 per gigabyte per month. And for the amount of gigabytes downloaded, it's $1 per gigabyte downloaded. So it's all very competitively priced.
Oh, that sounds very exciting for game developers.
It is. It's very, very exciting for game developers. We've had a lot of interest here.
Actually, how long you're in the market in Firebase, and also how many you have do now? How many basically developers using it?
The second question. So the first question, how long have we been out? We actually did a big release at Google I/O last year in May. In terms of developers that are using the product, we have many developers using the product.
Number secret?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so how many platforms do you support? Do you support Android only or iPhone too?
So for the game developers, we support iOS and Android at the moment, and we also support the web. And for for some of our products, we also have server SDKs. We have SDKs that you can use from your backend. We have a command line client that you can use. So there's lots of different ways that you can interact with Firebase.
Yeah, medium now, small later.
Great.
All right, thank you, sir, for your time, and thank you, viewers. Please stay with us. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.